Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a shaky video and how you can stabilize it with the Wing app. So in here, you can just open your Wing apps and then you can scroll down until you find this stabilize option. Tap on that. Now select the video that you want to fix. Okay, so I'm going to fix this videos right here. Click on the video, and now here you can choose the intensity of the stabilization. You can choose between low, medium, or high, but if you want to go with medium or high, you need to pay for it, so you need to join the VIP on Wing app. So after you choose the intensity, it will processing, and when it's done, here you can see the progress in here. When it's done, you can preview the result and tap on save. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.